Welcome to Ryder's home here in Fort Morgan. I'm going to show you how we create the perfect RV pad by installing a professional grade sewer connector. This is where we build the foundation for true modern comfort, ensuring our future tenants have a worry-free, long-term stay. A great RV spot needs more than just a place to park. It needs reliable infrastructure. Our solution, we partner with Westek Rentals to bring in the Barreto 23 RTK 36-inch trencher. This is the key tool we used to connect our new RV pad to the main sewer line, ensuring a seamless and reliable hookup that will last for years. The magic begins with a simple, precise adjustment of the steering levers. We're not just digging, we're sculpting the earth. With a final graceful motion, the machine comes to life, turning a single line into a powerful statement of progress. This isn't just a trench, it's a foundation of our brand new amenity for our community. Once the engine is running, we engage the hydraulic system to operate the trencher. We use the right and left steering levers to guide the machine, precisely following our pre-marked line, ensuring a perfectly straight channel. It's a process that requires a delicate touch, but the result is a clean, consistent trench. Our commitment to using the right tools and knowing how to use them is just another way we're building a reliable, high-quality living experience at Ryder's home. This is the critical connection point. After meticulously trenching our path, we're now at the main house line, where we'll tie into the existing system. We've done our due diligence to determine the location of all underground utilities, and we're now preparing to cut into the cleanout. The slightest miscalculation here, a single inch off, and we're faced with a serious problem. The boom is positioned, the ground is open, there is zero margin for error. We are on the precipice of our main connection point. This is the moment when all of the planning pays off. The relief is real. We passed the point of no return. With the boom now engaged, we're slowly, deliberately trenching around the cleanout. The machine is a beast, but in this moment, it's a surgeon's tool. Every inch, every detail must be flawless. We are now in the home stretch, and this is where every ounce of precision pays off. Our process begins by digging a precise 24-inch trench, a full 2 feet deep. This depth is critical for one reason: the frost line. Going below it ensures our system is protected from the elements, guaranteeing reliable service all year round. The two pipes you see are the sewer cleanouts. Think of them as service doors for your sewer line. We're not just connecting to an arbitrary point, we are leveraging an existing critical part of the system. This saves time, reduces risk, and ensures our work is up to professional code. For the final piece of the puzzle, we'll be using 4-inch PVC pipe, known for its durability, corrosion resistance, and long life. We'll be connecting with a long, wide connector to ensure a smooth, unobstructed flow. This is the last step before we backfill the trench and make this amenity a reality. This is the result, a perfect clean trench, the single pathway connecting our new RV pad to the main sewer line. Every step was done with a focus on one thing: permanence. We're not building a temporary fix, we're investing in infrastructure that will serve our residents for years to come. This is a testament to our commitment to the quality living experience at Ryder's home. From here, we lay the pipe and secure our future. Now it's time to make the final cut. We're working with a 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 PVC pipe, the industry standard for its durability and strength. We'll be using a total of 30 to 40 feet down the length of the trench. This is where the real integrity of the system is built. We're applying a layer of primer and contact cement. This two-part process ensures a permanent watertight seal that will stand the test of time, resisting leaks and protecting our investment. And that's the final piece of the puzzle. Now let's talk numbers. The Barreto trencher that made this job possible cost us just $200 to rent for the day. Our total materials costs were only about $500. When you put that all together, we're building a professional-grade permanent amenity for a fraction of the cost. A job a professional crew will charge upwards of $3,000 for. This is what it looks like when we invest smart and build with our own hands. The final test, we're now checking the grade of the pipe with a level. We are looking for the bubble to be positioned perfectly, indicating a consistent downward slope. A proper grade is non-negotiable. It's what ensures gravity can do its job, allowing all waste to flow efficiently and preventing any clogs. The final check is our seal of approval, guaranteeing a permanent and reliable connection. The moment of truth. We've laid the pipe, checked the grade, and now we're testing the system with a simple garden hose. As the water rushes through, we can see there are no leaks. This is a final proof that our careful work and permanent seals have created a perfect watertight system. A successful professional installation built to last. Our work here is done. The final act, the last scoop of dirt, we're backfilling the trench, securing the pipe in its new home. It's a testament to the care we've taken that this project is complete, solid, and built for the long haul. Another investment in quality and another amenity brought to life. This is what it means to be part of the Ryder's home community, building a better living experience one project at a time. But the convenience doesn't stop there. We've also equipped our RV pad with a modern high-capacity electrical hub. This isn't just a standard plug, it's a 20, 30, and 50 amp RV electrical receptacle. Fully installed and ready to go, this level of versatility ensures you have all the power you need. It's one more way we plan for your comfort and convenience right here at Ryder's home. With the plumbing and electrical complete, the final step is to prepare the pad itself. Gravel isn't just for looks, it's a critical part of the infrastructure. A properly graveled pad ensures a stable, level surface for your RV while also providing excellent drainage. At Ryder's home, we're building a better living experience from the ground up. With the project complete, the final piece is for you to make this space your own. Our RV pad is now available for lease, and we made the process as simple as possible. You'll find a month-to-month lease with no long-term commitment. Our entire application, leasing, and rent payment process is handled with ease through TurboTenant. We're offering more than just a place to park. We're offering a community. Your rental includes access to our on-site laundry room and a fitness center, so you'll have all of the amenities of home without ever having to leave. And of course, you'll get full RV hookups and reliable high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Ready to make the move? Visit Ryder's home online through TurboTenant to learn more and begin your application today. We can't wait to welcome you to the neighborhood.